Do you know you can make bully at home? Like, it is super easy. So many of us wants to eat bully. We love bully, but we have to like go outside to get bully when we can actually make bully at home by ourselves. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Empress Blessing Bassi, and today I'm going to be showing you how we made bully at home with just toaster. So we went to our new house to clean the place, and luckily enough my sister carried toasting machine, so we didn't know we were staying that long. We thought the cleaning was going to be easy, so she just felt like carrying toasting machine, so she carried it. So now we're so hungry. There was no spoon, no plate, no gas, nothing, and we wanted to eat. Like, we were so hungry, so we just went outside. We got plantain, ripe plantain actually, and we just used our hands to like peel the back since there was no knife. But yeah, our hands are clean. So after removing the back, you just add the plantain to your toaster. Now you cover gently. Do not press it though. If you press it, it's actually going to turn to like toast bread. So you just have to like cover gently. All you need is the heat. So that's just it. We plugged the toasting machine to light, and then we added the plantain, the ripe plantain, to the toasting machine, and then we just covered and we allowed it sit till it was ready. So it is that easy. All you need is your plantain and then your toasting machine, and that is all. I think you can actually do this with non-sticky pan also. I'll be making a video on that later. So we made bully, guys. We made bully and it was actually satisfying, and also it was filling actually. It was filling, yeah, that's the word, just filling, because we were actually full, and it was delicious because we ate this with granules despite the fact that there was no plate. So remember not to press the toasting machine. Do not press the toaster, if not it is going to turn to toast bread. So you just have to cover it gently, because all you need is the heat. So, and as you can see, our bully is almost ready. In fact, at this point it was ready, but we had to like allow it sit there again for a while till it was fully ready. So it is very easy. Try making bully yourself and let me know what you think. So my bully lovers, what do you think about this video? I would love to know in the comment section. And also, we made a video of, this was my first time painting. I actually made a video and I posted it on my channel yesterday. I will be making more videos on how we cleared the place, how we moved in, and all of that. We would actually be making, we'll try our best to make that. Anyways, please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, stay tuned to this channel for interesting content. We have so many hacks, so many DIYs, and so many things you can learn from. So thanks for watching. Bye.